Hey guys, and welcome to a quick review of the U8 smartwatch. So first off, let me make you aware of the price. It's around $8, you know, the same or even lower than the price of a ticket to the cinema. Having cleared that up, I can confidently say that I'm surprised that this thing even turned on. And not only that, but its Bluetooth worked, it has a usable range, and it can be paired with any Android smartphone. Before speaking about its functionality, the battery could not be more than what it is, which is unknown to me, but I guess 300 milliamp hours or so. And surprisingly, it endures 1 day of usage over Bluetooth with a very little amount of battery left at the end of the day. If you use it without Bluetooth only for the time, then it can last you up to 3 days with the brightness turned all the way down. Now on to the functionality, which is decent. You have your settings, anti-loss, power saver, and ringtone changer. Then you have your crappy barometer, altimeter, pedometer, and up that doesn't end with meter, your stopwatch. Then comes good part. There is a phone book where you can't see your contacts, at least from my experience. I keep it, which is used to make calls with a built-in mic and speaker, and it actually works. Then you can read and can send messages with this tiny keyboard, your call history, notifications, music controls, and remote camera, as well as your alarms, which works surprisingly well, your calendar, your calculator, and other stuff. Now the design is for kids, okay? It is plastic with plastic by plastic, glossy and usable, but plastic. All in all, this is a smartwatch suitable mostly for kids and you who are entering the smartwatch space and want to see if it suits you. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next one.